Passive income, the dream of earning money while you sleep, has always been alluring. The idea of waking up to find your bank balance has grown overnight is something almost everyone has fantasized about at some point. It's the promise of freedom, more time for family, travel, or simply enjoying life's little pleasures, all while your money works for you in the background. Instead of trading time for money, you set up systems that generate revenue with minimal effort. These systems can range from digital investments to automated savings plans, all designed to keep your finances growing even when you're not actively involved. But traditional passive income, like rental properties or online businesses, often requires huge upfront investments or years of work. Managing tenants, handling customer service, or building a brand from scratch can be overwhelming and time-consuming, making it out of reach for many. Most people are left stuck, searching for a more accessible way to make their money work for them. The barriers to entry can feel high, and the risks can be intimidating, especially for those just starting out. Now, technology is changing the game. Financial technology, or fintech, is opening doors that were once closed, making investing and wealth building more approachable than ever before. Imagine investments that use data and logic to navigate the market automatically, without your constant attention. These smart systems can analyze trends, make decisions, and adjust strategies in real time, all while you focus on living your life. The new financial quest is about finding smarter, automated ways to build wealth, combining growth potential with true hands-off income. It's about leveraging innovation to create a future where your money truly works for you. In today's uncertain world, multiple income streams aren't just a luxury, they're a necessity. Diversifying your sources of income can provide security and peace of mind, no matter what life throws your way. Enter a new era, passive income powered by artificial intelligence. With AI-driven tools, anyone can access sophisticated investment strategies, making the dream of effortless income more achievable than ever before. For years, investing meant either stressful, hands-on trading or slow passive index funds. AI is now bridging that gap, offering a third option, automated investing that's both smart and hands-off. AI-powered platforms analyze market data, spot patterns, and execute trades without human emotion or fatigue. You provide the capital, the AI handles the strategy and execution. This technology, once reserved for hedge funds, is now accessible to everyone through simple dashboards. As trust in AI grows, more people are embracing this transparent, user-friendly approach to building wealth. The age of AI-driven investing is here, redefining how we grow our money. In May 2025, Cashflow AI launched, marking a major milestone in the world of personal finance and investing. For the first time, AI-powered passive income became a reality for everyday investors, no matter their background or experience level. Founded by renowned trading educator Jordan Fogel, the platform connects directly and securely to your US-regulated brokerage account, ensuring your assets remain protected. Once connected, the AI takes over, executing trades automatically on your behalf, while your money always stays in your account, fully under your control. There's no need to study charts, follow financial news, or make stressful decisions. Just connect and let the advanced technology handle the rest. Cashflow AI is powered by logic-driven, rules-based strategies, carefully developed and tested by a team of experienced traders and financial experts. By focusing on options trading, the platform is designed to generate consistent income, whether the market is rising, falling, or moving sideways. The result is a truly hands-off, automated cash flow machine, accessible to anyone seeking reliable, long-term passive income with minimal effort. With Cashflow AI, intelligent investing is now as simple as setting it up once and letting your money work for you, day after day. Exciting as automated profits are, the real key to long-term investing success is protecting your capital from unexpected losses and market shocks. That's why smart investors care most about risk management, always seeking ways to minimize downside while still capturing upside potential. Cashflow AI was built with safety first, designed by experts who understand that protecting your money is just as important as growing it. It avoids the risky speculative strategies that are all too common in many trading bots, which often chase short-term gains at the expense of long-term stability. Its advanced AI guardrail acts as a circuit breaker, constantly monitoring for danger signals in the market. When extreme volatility strikes, it can automatically halt trades, stepping in to protect your capital from sudden downturns and unexpected crashes. Meanwhile, AutoHedge manages risk in normal markets by entering both bullish and bearish positions, balancing your exposure so you're not caught off guard by sudden swings. This approach aims for steady, reliable returns, helping you grow your wealth even when the market is unpredictable or moving sideways. These features were put to the test during a major market crash in early 2025, when panic selling and wild price swings dominated the headlines. While many investors lost significant amounts, a tracked Cashflow AI account actually gained over 15% in just 90 days of extreme volatility. Real-world results prove the platform's focus on risk management isn't just talk. It's a core part of how Cashflow AI operates, built into every trade and decision. With Cashflow AI, you don't have to choose between safety and growth. They truly go hand in hand, giving you peace of mind as you build your financial future. Platforms like Cashflow AI are transforming personal finance, offering a new middle ground between active trading and passive investing. Built on transparency, regulation, and risk management, it stands apart from risky trading bots. Anyone with a brokerage account can now access sophisticated automated strategies once reserved for professionals. This democratizes wealth building, making passive income more attainable than ever. As AI evolves, its power to navigate markets will only grow, giving investors a smarter, more resilient ally. The future of passive income is here, automated, intelligent, and accessible to all. The era of the AI-powered portfolio has just begun.